Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on surveys and feedback notification on SoundCloud application. So how to turn on surveys and feedback notifications on SoundCloud application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the SoundCloud app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the SoundCloud app. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right. And it appears like this. Tap Notification menu. And tap Surveys and Feedback. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on surveys and feedback notification on SoundCloud application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.